Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 5th, 2022. I want all the investors of Stellar to look at this video right here. We want to see if the trend is still in place for Stellar. So welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I produce these videos to give you all predictive content to show you how to be in position and win and profit. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and join me on this particular platform. Hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Now, real quick, as always, I come through and I show you all what happened in the market versus my original prediction. And you guys can see I did a price prediction in the market for Stellar right here on the 21st of September. Okay, and I was looking for the market to trend higher, and that is exactly what it did. I even pinpointed where the market was going to go before price went back down. This is fantastic information. And people try to tell us that you cannot do this. And I am giving you all proof that it is possible to know what direction price is going to go and how far. Look at that. So the market in Stellar from September 21st all the way until the 23rd, it only took 2 days for the market in Stellar to go to our ultimate take profit location. Right there, 13.75% profitability here. So congratulations to those who was able to grab that. Now let's talk about this though, because the market in Stellar is not doing too much. And I cover a whole lot of altcoins and cryptocurrencies on this particular channel, and a lot of them are trading this exact same way. It is just trading range bound. So the market is preparing itself for the next colossal move. Whether it's going to be down, whether it's going to be up, is yet to be determined. But we know all of this trading that has been occurring in Stellar is building up momentum and energy. We've been trading range bound in Stellar since June, and here it is October, and the market is still trading in these ranges. What's going on? So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about two things. We're going to address that since the market in Stellar was able to top out here, we are going to bring this top portion horizontal line up. Okay, because we have identified where the sellers really are at. The sellers are not down here that I originally had it. Instead, they're up here around 13 cents. So we're going to address that. We're going to keep that line there now, since we have more information about Stellar moving to 13 cents. Okay, that's the first thing. Now, the second thing I wanted to show you is that actually Stellar is in a trend though. Can you see it with all of these daily price bars? Can you tell what trend the market is going through in Stellar? Let me show it to you. Okay, this also gives us an idea as to what the market in Stellar is really up to. So this is the current idea that I'm seeing. One of two is going to happen. Either the market in Stellar is going to continually trade on this ascending line, this trend line, and continue to move higher, and then eventually break outside to the upside, 13 cents. That's one way. The second thing that's going to happen is that either the market is still going to come down to a dime and continue to trade range bound between a dime and 13 cents. We can see the market continue to do that. Either or. Either or. Now, we need to try to determine which of these particular type of moves is going to occur. Which one is more likely to happen? Let's look at the market in Stellar on the weekly chart first. Okay, because you guys can see that over the last couple of weeks, the market in Stellar has gone through some selling, right? This weekly price bar right here is indicative of massive amounts of selling going on, and it ran into the next week, the week of September 26th, 2022, and we're still seeing it now. We're still seeing the selling. So this trend line looks to be impacted relatively soon. Look at Stellar on the monthly chart. The last 2 months in Stellar as well has been months of massive amounts of selling. Now, one positive caveat I would give you is that even though we saw selling in September, we closed higher than the previous month. So this also tells me that buyers came into the market in Stellar. They came through. Let's look at this on the 3 months though. Okay, so this is Stellar on the 3 months chart, and we really need to talk about this. So let me get my magnifying glass, and you guys can see right here on the prior 3 months how wide this price bar is. You guys can see that, right? Well, look at the volume though, right? But then we get to the next 3-month price bar. Look how small that spread is. And then look at the volume for both 3 months. It's about the same. But why is this spread smaller? Like, why is that one smaller? What really happened? Well, people came in majority of the last 3 months and bought Stellar. That's what this means. So if we're trying to see the market break outside of this range that it's been trading in for a while, this is what we want to see, because this could be the beginning stages of the market in Stellar breaking out of that training range. Okay, so I definitely wanted to bring that to your attention. You guys can see over the last couple of 2-day price bars that the market in Stellar also is slightly trending higher, but there's still people trying to sell out their lumens into the market. So I'm not massively bullish. I'm not. The market here is still showing me that there's selling going on. This is on a 3-day chart. In the last 3-day price bars, we're definitely seeing selling come through, but the market is buying, right? They're doing a pretty good job right now as to keeping price up and maintaining it trending within its trading range, but it's not massively bullish though. And look at this on the 5-hour. Yeah, there's still some weakness into the market in Stellar right now. The 9-hour chart, 13-hour, and again, let's do on the 15. So what do you all think? I don't think the market in Stellar is ready for a breakout just yet. We could definitely see the market run down to 11.5 cents, maybe even 11 cents. And this is where we need to stay keen on seeing buyers come into the market. We definitely need to be keen on the buyers coming into the market for Stellar. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play just a little bit of weakness. All right, just a little bit, not too much. 2 price targets, 11.5 cents is going to be first. You guys can see it's not even much, almost 3% movement to the downside. And then down here around 11 would be my second. And that gives us what, 7%. So I'm not really too keen on a massive move to the downside, even to the upside. Not yet. But I can tell from all of these time frames that we've seen that majority of the weakness is to the downside. Like the majority of the sentiment that we're noticing on the chart is weakness. And I just want us to make sure that we keep that in mind as we see this coin continue to trade. Okay, so let's just play a little bit of weakness real quick. Okay, now those 2 price target is 11.5 cents, 11 cents, and then let me give you one more. If we see the market break that trend, then 10.5 cents would be my 3rd price target. Okay, that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.